Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can turn on Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in the Play Store. So we start from the Opera. In the Opera we have to just tap here on this tab icon and go to the private. Now just click on this plus. That's it. In the Firefox you have to open this and just use that zero mask. How you can see, now we are in the Incognito Mode. The next way is at the Microsoft Edge. And in that browser just click again on the taskbar icon and go to the in private. Then tab and plus again. And the last one, Google Chrome, the most popular. Just click here on this arrow icon or 3-dot icon and go to the new Incognito tab. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.